the future of AI is going in the hardware space. And what are your thoughts about humanoids? How does AI play a role in all of that?
As far as humanoids, yeah, I mean, I do have a picture with the Optimus that anybody can have visiting their local Tesla store at the mall. So I think that is, I mean, I don't know, Tesla said they're going to come out with that in 26, 27.
Yeah, next year. By next year, yeah.
So I think there is need for that. I think there are a couple of use cases, like just
Caregiving.
Yeah. I mean, a humanoid to help you around the house, clean. So we're all going to be lazy. None of us are going to be doing laundry or cleaning our house or our fridges in the future. We're all going to be sitting down and our humanoid friends are going to do all the housework. So, hey, more time to do more fun things, right? But also in the factory floor. And I think that's kind of where, if I read between the lines, that's where Tesla is going, is now they're going to have these humanoids that are going to be doing a lot of manufacturing, mundane manufacturing tasks that maybe people are doing today.
Speaking of that too, there's even that aspect of romance.
Yeah, that's a crazy topic as well, because I think I saw a reel on Instagram or somewhere where somebody has a humanoid girlfriend now. So I'm like, okay, like this guy, she's not very demanding. I'm like, well, I wonder why. Did you do the machine learning yourself? Did you teach that humanoid how to act? So again, that just goes back. I hope, like that's what makes humans and human interactions. Like, yeah, we want a little demanding girlfriend. Like that's what makes the relationship spicy. I don't want my girlfriend to just say yes to everything, right?
Oh my God!
Now we know what you like.